in the backseat. Sneak peek in the backseat. Sneak peek in the backseat.
Where ya going, Charlie? Woo! On the way to the bakery today. Confections of a cake lover! I am a cake lover. Going to a bakery sounds so sweet to me. I'm hoping to see cakes and cookies. Experiences make her the best. If you like things sweet, then come along with me. Can't wait to see how it all works. Can't wait to see behind the scenes. I never met a baker that I didn't like. Let's take a child to work day.